help us.
They did for the Indian
scheme Chandrayaan.
Indira Gandhi's time.
We can see RG
Okay, that's very fine.
was characterless. That
don't be that.
In
You can take the example.
it's too much clean.
I think the Modi.
every time that is
The people didn't
Has been told over.
at 370.
see like the
Ruling and
BJP guys, how are you? Fine. I am also fine. So here we are going to play a debate game. I am Ajit and I am the student of this international institute, and the opponent team will support BJP and will support Congress. So let's start with them first.
So about BJP, what is the full form of Bharatiya Janata Party? It was made in 1984. Now I will tell you that it will help, means the BJP help us in Kargil war also. In that last year that we lost World Cup, in that BJP supports Indian team. In Chandrayaan 3 BJP also help us. And in the
what
Chandrayaan
kind of a
4,
thing
man,
they
first
did in,
listen me.
sir, it is a debate.
Chandrayaan 4 that is
it is
used
not
to.
I'm not your mother who will listen you. Firstly, it is debate. You have to listen to me. And what kind of a thing they did for the India? They are just not a secular party. They are just spreading the lies to the us. They are parting us. They are dividing us. They are, what the Britisher did.
Okay,
they
you
are
said
still doing.
what
They are
they
doing
did.
it.
What Congress did. Tell me the reason. What Congress did. Please, could you explain this? Providing scheme, Chandrayaan 3, third largest economy. What you want? What Congress did? Please reply it.
All right, I'll reply to you, brother. Don't be shout. What Congress did? Congress, the implement some kind of rules which is literally good for our India. The first in Indira Gandhi's time, they implement opened 15 government the bank that Congress did. And what your BJP did? The privatization. You can take the example of railway. The 49 to 51% goes to in a privatization. How it is useful for us? Nothing. Apart from it, they are what BJP party is doing, just telling a lie to our normal
Let me tell
people.
you that what the BJP party is doing. You can see in your surrounding how much India is developing day by day, and on the daily basis we can see our GDP is increasing. And also on the other hand, India is representing in all over the world only because of our Prime Minister. We have a good we have a good relation with the foreign countries. We have a good GDP in our
So
economy.
you are talking about the Prime Minister who couldn't even stop the Gujarat riots in 2002. Is that what you are suggesting? Okay, that's very fine. Apart from the things that you wanted to know, what Congress did. Congress gave us independence. Okay, without any independence, you wouldn't be sitting here. Apart from it, 5 years plan.
Okay, so you are talking about Congress. So listen me first. What Congress did in the Kolkata, Mamata Banerjee, after the rape of Mamita, what Mamata Banerjee said? She was having affairs. She was characterless. That was the duty of Mamata Banerjee, that was the duty of Congress. That what she is doing. No,
Okay, first
that
of all,
what
ma'am,
you need to
Mamata
accept
Banerjee
it.
is not from
That-
the Congress. Try to understand. And if you are talking about all the BJP things that what BJP did, try to understand what Congress did also. Try to look into it. Don't be that blinded by the religionism that they are doing. And first of all, try to understand the Congress made up a lot of government
Ma'am,
jobs, and they gave the
yes,
government jobs
listen,
to the
ma'am.
people, and that's why the
Ma'am,
people,
listen.
those who are getting
Please,
the
ma'am,
pension, they
listen
are
my
alive.
point. Please, I humble this request to you. Okay, ma'am, what Congress did? Congress divided Bharat and Pakistan. Okay, in 15 August 1947, Congress divided, not a BJP. That was a not BJP party, any parties. Okay, and then you are
Congress
saying
is
about
far better than BJP. Why? Because there are a lot of
we are ruling
amendment
party.
they
We
had
are
done.
doing
They
all the
had
things
done
which is
a lot of
which is
amendment.
related to
The right to education,
we are
the right to
third
equality,
largest
which
big
you are-
country in the world. Right now, we will also won the World Cup T20 in my ruling parties.
So there are a lot of amendments which had been happen in Congress. You can take the example of previous time, the 1968. What will happen? There are a lot of things which is introduced in our constitution. The right to equality, the right to education, the right to freedom. That why we are getting because of
Yes,
Congress.
now,
Because
BJP
the Congress were ruling a previous time.
Just wait. Congress, Bharatiya Janata Party doing like a private sector of the railway station because because it is good for us. Because now time you visit like a railway station, now it's too much clean, and the previous time it's too much.
Okay, so I don't think you guys are very knowledgeable in the politics.
There is toilet, bathroom is not clean, but now it's too much clean.
I don't think you guys are very knowledgeable in the political. Listen, brother, you were telling about the World Cup. I think the Modi ji and Amit Shah was playing cricket. That's why we won the World Cup. Okay, and I think the Rohit Sharma, Virat Kohli, they didn't anything. That I think the Modi ji, because of Modi ji, we won the World Cup. That I think you have a very great knowledge. And ma'am, you were telling about the Mamata Banerjee. What kind of knowledge you have? You are telling about us. I think before speak. Okay, Mamata Banerjee, it's a separate party.
You're talking about the privatization.
restriction. Just so you're talking about that a mother should take care of the baby and father should not do that. I think you need to learn about it. A mother cannot take care of the care of child every time. That is what government doing. Government not take care of the everything in your life. Government take care of you are being close.
They are not
That
our
is not
parents.
the
They are
privacy
not
happen.
our
That is
parents,
what
ma'am.
really
They are
should
not.
happen.
They are
And
taking care of us. And you all asked what Congress did. The LPG introduced in 1991. They are introduced by Congress. Because of that, we have a power to globalization. Do you think because of that we are right now here? And you also asked about the Kolkata rape case. What about the Brij Bhushan, the sports crime he did? What kind of a molest the sports person? What about him? You don't think so? They are also criminal. Most of the in BJP
So
they are all
ma'am,
criminal.
first thing is that I don't know why are you going with the Congress. First thing is that you know about the rarest of rare. It is depend on the like Nirbhaya case which happened in the 2012, and in that time who was ruling in that the Congress party is ruling in that time. About the BJP, and BJP party gives the so many laws, like there we get the 3 acts which is the Bharatiya.
Sir, if you are saying that the BJP is very much a good party, so why were the BJP party lost the election in the Ayodhya? So they build a Ayodhya temple. So why were the people didn't trust on the BJP party? Because they the fact check. They the inflation which was making higher in the BJP parties, not in our Congress party.
Do you know about the 370? This is the article has been abolished by the BJP, and this is so fabulous because we engage more than in previous year. On the other hand, we demonetization.
So okay, but
do you know about the Delhi riot? This happened by the Congress. This
so okay, but
this
I
is
want
not
to stop
good
you.
for the
What do you
India.
think about Manipur Ahimsa? What do you think about Lakshadweep cases in Lakshadweep? And if you check the prices of petrol, 1 liter of petrol price is 100 rupees and the cylinder price is 1000 rupees. If you check the price in 2014 in the time of Congress, so the price of cylinder is 500.
I said about Manipur. What you said about Kashmiri fight? What about the advocate of the Kashmiri? You said about Congress because that time Congress was ruling the Kashmir. What was Congress in the Kashmiri Pandit? And he left our home and he left our society. And what did our Congress party? You know about this type of thing? You think about this?
No. Sir, you said that Kashmir files and you said that 370. That means BJP government stopped 370. But that is not right. We all are believe the false thinking of
Okay, so
other
for the
person.
development of the India, for the development
Ma'am,
of the
please,
India,
I want to
BJP plays a
complete
very
something
important
because
role.
BJP only removed 370B, not full 370. Only one
So
one
as we
act
all
of
know, like
370B.
how much benefit, how much important the BJP for the country, because in the previous time we all can see like the India is not that much development. Everywhere we can find the rape cases in the previous time, but nowadays I can say like BJP is the government who are taking the action.
So now time
and
you
I
are
can
not
say-
aware, not aware of the rape case. In the rape cases, Kolkata rape cases, Bengal rape cases happened in the BJP ruling, and in the Ram Mandir also the grooming lady
sir, first
get
listen, if
raped
you're talking about
the
the
9
Bengal
people
rape
which
case,
is belongs
first
to the
listen,
BJP
it
members
is
and
under
the son of
the
BJP
Mamata
party.
Banerjee, it is not under the BJP party. Try to understand this point. Yes, one more thing, that defense system or the infrastructure development, economy development, agriculture and urban development, what you want from BJP? What you want? These things if they have done, and what other things?
All right, brother, what we are getting from BJP, that was the Agnipath scheme. Just because of it, there are several army soldiers, they are facing a lots of problem. Apart from it, since 2014 to till yet, how many, demonetization happened? Just because of it, normal people, how much they are facing problem, you can't imagine about it. The third thing is that you're talking about the BJP, so at that time, the inflation rate, it's going on too much. At that time, on the, previously, that was a 15%, but right now it's a 18%.
Sir,
What
Congress
do you
time,
think about it?
Congress time. What about Congress time?
Whatever 15%, listen carefully, brother.
Yes, I am listening. Sir, you have done. You were ruling 50 years. You know what you have done. You have done nothing. You are like eating pizza burger in your office, and you have done nothing, anything. Your PM, first PM Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru and Indira Gandhi, they are all ruling in all over the country, and they was eating anything, and they are not doing anything which
you are
the
so
country
sure
which
about
will
their
benefit.
diet, huh? You are so sure about their diet. They are eating pizza, and maybe you are serving them. That is why you know about that. Apart from it, what BJP gave us, BJP gave every day 2,700 rape cases. Apart Apart from it, BJP eradicate billions of dollars from the Indian economy. Apart from it, the construction, if you see
Yes,
the
ma'am,
construction of Bihar, if you see the construction of Madhya Pradesh, if you see the lowest employment, Kerala, lowest employment in Madhya Pradesh, that is what BJP giving us, okay?
Yes, ma'am, what you are saying that don't put the thread on us, that you are saying that BJP divide Hindu and Muslims, that is your wrong mentality, and that means you need to you need to develop your knowledge. That Congress divided
Divided that, sir. Please get to the reality and try to understand what is going on around you. Don't just get into the books that is with you, and try to get to the ground reality. Try to understand what is going on in your country. BJP is dividing the people. They are dividing the religions. That's why a lot of things are happening in the country right now. In previous time, there was not
First
any
of
kind
all,
of thing that is
listen,
happening
first
in
of
the
all-
country, ma'am.
first of all, let that think. So first of all, think about it. Who is dividing the Hindu and Muslim? Congress, not BJP. If the Ram temple was there, the masjid was also there. The mosque was also there. There was equality between it.
Okay,
equity.
so-
And if you are talking about the demonetization.
Okay,
it is
listen,
written after 5 years.
ma'am, please listen what I'm going to say. Brother, you were telling about the momos and pizza, burger, what else? I don't know about it. So what about the metro? Most of the persons using metro, how it is possible? Just because of Sheila Dikshit. You know about the Sheila Dikshit? In Sheila Dikshit tenure, we got the metro in Delhi. Okay, that's why most of the person using
sir,
metro.
you're talking about
Okay, and listen. Please listen. Let me continue my point. Listen.
Demonetization help the people who are having black money. This is how demonetization help us. And you're saying what is BJP does? What is Congress has done? They are just doing the thali like जो बादल बरसते हैं वो गरजते हैं. This is what Congress is doing. Apart from Congress, BJP has done more than most thing like बेटी बचाओ बेटी पढ़ाओ, women empowerment. This is what BJP is giving. And
Listen,
what is Congress giving?
बेटी बचाओ
This
बेटी
is what
पढ़ाओ.
Congress giving.
I also am aware about Hindi words, that is हे मूर्ख अपनी छवि सुधार. First of all, okay, apart from other things, you were saying that BJP Congress divided India and Pakistan.
Yes.
BJP cannot even occupied Kashmir. They can't even proclaim their own territory, which is Aksai Chin. They can't even proclaim their own territory, which is in Arunachal Pradesh. What BJP? They can't even do anything. Okay. Apart from it,
Don't count
whatever the things are happening just because of the BJP. Okay. Corruption is there. Supreme Court is there. Okay?
What Supreme Court said? Supreme Court said what Supreme Court do this kinds of thing which said Congress. Okay, that's why Supreme Court is a claim of Congress. And then sir, beti bachao beti padhao, we have slogans, and what your slogans like mohabbat ki bazaar. What kinds of mohabbat ki
Sir, what are you saying like beti bachao beti bachao? Sir, you have to think about like what are you saying? What type of time like coming on your mind and just you're saying that, sir, there's a lot of fact that you have to like check about yourself. Like you have saying that BJP had doing a lot of work for yourself.
I know.
Like
Rahul Gandhi
now
did,
the construction of the BJP's.
Rahul Gandhi did Bharat Jodo Yatra. First of all, India's never broken. It's doing like a game. It's a dirty game for a politician. And Rahul Gandhi is a very
So tell me about the graduation of the BJP parties. How much graduated BJP parties? Narendra Modi, how much graduated? Amit Shah, how much graduated? I am Yogi Adityanath, how much educated? Whatever development he gives, lots of borrowing BJP gives in the India. In India have lots of borrowing because of BJP parties. BJP, you can say if any person lots of case. If any person have lots of case.
India and Pakistan, who divide? Congress. And why you mention that BJP is dividing Hindu and Muslims, but what Congress did, you are not mentioning that they are dividing the Indian and Pakistan.
Firstly, Pakistan is divided by the Jinnah, not by the Congress. Sir, Pakistan is divided by Jinnah, not by the Congress. Come out from this illusion world. And apart from it, BJP introduced so many schemes, but they are not implemented till now. Because of Congress, we all girls have a power to study in the school, which BJP is still not giving. They are just beti bachao, beti padhao. After that, go outside and get the rape from it. Like the criminals seeing us in the very inappropriate way. Do you think it is easy to live in the society which is not safe? Because of the BJP, we girls are not safe in India. So what do you think about that? You are not speaking about that.
Okay, so yes, you are talking about the girls. Nowadays, you can see the situation of girls. and you can compare the situation of today's girl into the past girls. Okay, you can see the girls are there in the Olympics. They can do their job very well, and they can get their education. What about
Okay,
past
just a minute,
women
ma'am.
get the chance
Just come
to
on
the
a ground
education?
reality. What is going on now at time? So just don't compare the previously. Right now, come in a present. The first thing is that you are talking about the means girls. So at that time, you can see the previously what happened with girls means wrestler who are doing the playing dangal. You need to be aware about it. Apart from it, you are talking about the
You
right
need to
now.
be aware about current affair. What BJP did, that BJP planned for Chandrayaan 4, and the BJP that BJP launched Chandrayaan 4. It means into the Mars orbit.
Thank you so
That
much
I
for
want to tell you.
speaking. We are seeing WhatsApp university students here. 10 students are from BJP government. By the media, they take knowledge from the media and they are speaking about BJP. I know you are very happy with this. You are
Yes, you are happy.
You
We
are
are a
promoting the BJP.
Yes,
but
you are
it,
happy.
but it is not
There is a
reality.
Snapchat
But it
University.
is not
There is a
reality.
Snapchat.
Have you ever read this?